So guys, I am becoming the tourist. This is my garden. This is the mango area. So it has so many mangoes and the beanstalk. And this is the burning bud area. Who has a bee? What is it? Mushroom again. And more mangoes. Jandal is crazy. Look. And this is my inventory.